Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding purpose: quick access, minimalism, or productivity. Move the highest priority apps to the bottom 2 rows for thumb reach. Once done, add one weather or calendar widget on the top left for glanceable info. Make folders immediately for related apps and name them concisely so you don't hunt later. You'll remove rarely used apps now, offload to App Library, so the layout reflects daily habits, not impulse downloads. This sets a clear canvas for styling and grouping. You now arrange and refine. Press and hold, then jiggle to move icons and place widgets. Resize widgets to balance information density versus usable icon space. Once you've grouped apps into folders, shift essential shortcuts to the dock or bottom row for one-handed use. Make sure to maintain visual rhythm by aligning similar-sized widgets and keeping at most 3 dense columns to avoid clutter. If you want a theme, apply matching wallpaper with appropriate contrast, so icons. You finish by testing the layout through a normal day and note any friction points, moving frequently used items closer as needed. Once settled, lock in your wallpaper and consider small automation shortcuts for routines. Make sure to back up arrangements with iCloud if you switch devices. If an icon or widget misbehaves, force close the home screen editor, restart the phone, and check the app library. Most problems resolve by re-adding the widget or updating the app. You'll iterate until it feels effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.